I will be discussing with you chapter 3 of class 10, pair of linear equations in two variables. Linear equations in two variable means in equation we will be having two variables whose power will be 1, like in for example 2x plus 3y minus 5 equal to 0. Now if you see in this equation, variables are x and y whose power is 1. Nothing written means power is 1. 2 is coefficient of x, whereas 3 is coefficient of y, and minus 5 is constant term. And if this expression is equal to 0, as equality sign is there, so we call it equation, right? And two variables are used, so it is linear equation in two variable, right? This you already have done in class 9, in which you have studied how to find solutions of linear equation. You also have learned how to draw the graph of linear equation, and in 9th class only you have studied linear equation in two variable has infinite many solutions. Now we will proceed this topic in 10th class, and in 10th class, instead of discussing one linear equation in two variable, we will be discussing pair of linear equations in two variable. Now what we are supposed to do in this chapter, I will come directly to the point. In this chapter, we have to find the common solution of pair of linear equations. Common solution of pair of linear equation. Now to find the common solution, we have two methods mainly. One is graphic method, and second one is algebraic method. Further, in algebraic method, you will be doing three methods are there algebraic. First, you will be doing substitution method. Then we will be doing elimination method. And the third one is cross multiplication method. So we can find the common solution of a pair of linear equations in two variable by graph method, in which we are supposed to draw the graph of both the equations on a single graph paper. Wherever the two lines will meet each other, that point is a common point of two equation lines, and common point coordinates are common solution that we will be discussing later. And in algebraic method, we will be discussing three methods by which we can find the common solution. One is substitution method, elimination method, and cross multiplication method. So one by one I will be explaining you these methods. So first of all, let me discuss graphic method, because graph already have done in class 9. You are familiar with this method. So for this, let me take one example. We will be taking one question, two equations, say x plus y equal to 3 and x minus y equal to 2. I have taken very simple equations, so to make you understand, it will be easy to do it and it will be easy for you to understand. So first thing, same like 9th standard you did, we will find minimum 2 solutions for each equation. It will be better if you find 3 solutions, because by finding 3 solutions we can guarantee that our graph is correct. But to draw the graph, minimum 2 solutions are required. So if x is 0, y is 3. If y is 0, x is 3. Here also, if y is 0, x is 2. If x is 0, y is minus 2. So we found two solutions for both the equations. You are supposed to plot it on graph. You have to use graph paper. I am doing on one line copy to make you understand, but same thing you have to do in graph. So we will draw the Cartesian plane. So this is x-axis, here is y-axis, origin, scale we will be taking normal general scale, one big division equal to 1. So let me draw the graph. When you have to draw the graph, you must draw the graph one by one. First you can draw a graph for x plus y equal to 3. If you will plot all the 4 points on the graph, you may do mistake which point we have to join with which other point, right? So it is good if you do one line at a one time. So I am going to do for x plus y equal to 3, x0 y3. So x0 y3 I will encircle here, and y0 x3 this will be there. Now we have to draw the line passing through these points. So here we are going to draw the line. Make sure it should be a line, not a line segment. Arrowheads should be there. Points you can mention 0, 3, 3, 0, and here we will write equation x plus y equal to 3. This line belongs to this equation. Now we will draw the another one, x2 y0. This is the point. Then x0 y minus 2, this will be the point, and we will draw a line passing through these points. And if you see, the two lines intersect each other at point A. I am naming this point A to make you understand. So this is the common point of both the equation lines. So if this is a common point of equation line, so whatever is the coordinates at point A must be solution for both the equation, because we know that in 9th class we did any point that lies on a line is a solution of the equation of the line. I repeat, any point that lies on a line is a solution for the equation of that line. So this point A lies on this line, so it is a solution of x plus y equal to 3, and it lies on another equation line also, so it is a solution of x minus y equal to 2. I hope you understand. So we will see what is the point here. If you see, it is 2.5, x is 2.5 here, right? So if we fill 2.5 here, so what y seems to be, when, well friend, when you will do it in Cartesian plane, when lines are already being drawn, it will be very easy for you to see the solution. So at point A you will find x is 2.5 and y is 0.5. So we can write here solution x equal to 2.5 from graph and y equal to 0.5 answer. So this is how we have to draw the graph, and we can find the common solution of pair of linear equations in two variables.